In this house, we are on a schedule and a budget. I just bought 1 box of 20 Mule Team Borax, and I'm about to knock out 7 cleaning tasks with just 1 product. I mix a half cup of 20 Mule Team Borax with 12 ounces of warm water. Then I pour it in a spray bottle to create my go-to kitchen cleaner. This solution is also perfect for a bathroom wipe down. I'm hitting the shower tile with my spray solution, which helps remove mildew odors. 20 Mule Team Borax is an amazing shoe deodorizer. Just spray, wait, then wipe off. The way 20 Mule Team Borax gets rid of hard water stains is the most satisfying thing ever. The famous 20 Mule Team Borax Laundry Boost. Add 1 tablespoon to a mason jar with warm water and mix. Then when your laundry needs a boost, add half a cup of the solution into your next load of laundry. And for keeping whites white, we love a pre-soak. With this powerful, all-natural product, I've checked off everything on my list today. 1 purchase of 20 Mule Team Borax really pulls its weight.